Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Welcome back. We're in Surat al Baqarah. This is lesson 33. Inshallah, we are right here in ayah number 94. A'udhu billahi min shaitan rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul in noon sakina, noon with no sukoon on it, no movement. Qul in kanat. Qul in kanat. Right? Kaf with the alif. Kanat. Qul in kanat. This noon followed by kaf makes it ikhfa. قل إن كانت لكم. You're going to go from the meme straight to the dal. لكم. This alif lam drops because this is a huruf shamsiya. Huruf shamsiya are those letters that you don't read the al sound but becomes assimilated in the first letter. So it's almost like in English putting an A and then into that letter. So ad-daru. لكم الدار. So لكم الدار. Rul. Alif lam drops here. This is a hamza with a alif. So it becomes darul akhiratu. لكم الدار الآخرة. Noon sakina here. عند الله. عند الله. Okay. خالصة. خالصة. This is pretty straightforward. خالصة. Tan would be the normal movement of the tanween. Fathatain. This is called tanween or the fathatain. Two fathas, which makes the a. Khalisatan, but becomes idgham. This is idgham is assimilating, where it assimilates, mixes, joins with the next word, especially the next letter, which is mim. So it becomes khalisatan, becomes khalisatam, almost like you're getting ready to go into the mim sound. Khalisatam min. Noon sakina followed by dal. Noon, no movement, has a sukoon, invisible sukoon. Dal is ikhfa. Min duni. This wow extends the dal. Min duni. Duni. Alif lam drops because it's huruf shamsiya, assimilates to the noon, becomes dunin nasi. This also has ghunna, the slight nasal sound. Min dunin nasi. Okay. Fatamannaw. Fatamannaw. So fatamanna wul. Wul. This drops, goes straight into the lam here. Wul mauta. Al mauta. فَتَمَنَّوُا الْمَوْتَ إِن كُنتُمْ. In, we did that earlier. In, noon sakina, followed by kaf. Followed by kaf makes it ikhfa. إِن كُنتُمْ. Noon, this is another noon sakina. So kaf, noon, ta, mim. كُنتُمْ. صادقين. Sad has a long alif. صادقين. Next ayah is short, so ayah number 95. Walan. Normally we would say walan. The noon here has a sukoon. Walan. But because it's followed by ya, it changes the sound. You're going to say walayya. Walayyata. Walayyata. Mannaw. This noon, I believe almost all noons are going to have the ghunna to them, that slight nasal sound. يَتَمَنَّوْهُ. نَوْهُ. يَتَمَنَّوْهُ. أَبَدًا. This is actually tanween. So this meme, because of the ba that follows, you'll see this. Fathatain, kasratain, dammatain. Most of the times you have tanween, there's going to be a meme because what follows it usually is a ba. So just instead of abadan, abadam, you do read this little invisible meme as the m sound. Abadam bima, abadam bima, like that. Bima qaddamat, shadd on the dal, qaddamat, qaddamat. Aydihim, ay, right? Ay, D, this a ya with a sukoon extends this dal. So it becomes aydihim, aydihim. Wallahu, wallahu alimun. Normally it would be alimun here, alimun. But because it's a ba again, this would have been the dammatain. This becomes a meme, assimilates with this. Alimun bi-dhalimin. Alimun bi. You're going to drop the alif lam and go straight into the dhad because it is a shamsiya, huruf shamsiya. Bil-dhalimin. Alimun bil-dhalimin. So we ended up on ayah number 95. All the lessons are there under Quran for Beginners, and the next lesson will be uploading shortly, inshallah. Some of you have asked a lot of questions on the lessons. The lessons are ongoing, and we'll keep uploading them as soon as we have some time, inshallah, to keep putting them up. Hopefully we'll be able to do more since it's Ramadan at the moment. Wishing you all Ramadan Mubarak. Jazakumullah khair for watching. Please keep me and my family in dua. And inshallah subscribe. That's how you keep connected when new videos are posted. Assalamu alaikum.